Okay guys, so today is what's today's date? 26th of March and 26th of March and it's 6 in the morning and we are headed to Marines because we are just crazy people. Yeah.
They couldn't see that.
And we have reached Parel. We'll reach CST by 6:15, 20 maybe, and we'll go to Marines then. Let's go. We will reach Masjid now, and I think Masjid के बाद सीधे सही क्या है? So from there we'll eat something first because it's literally 6 in the morning and we are very hungry. वहाँ से walk.
We just make a reel of this train going and put the song. That song is very soul touching type song.
वर्तमान आंखों में.
It is soul touching.
Actually, I've done this curly hair routine.
You know.
Yeah, I do that. We are almost there. अभी आएगा CSMT.
Yeah. Earlier I get this song in my dimag or like
We didn't get a video. This is not a good location to put that in below. Neither is this. We have reached.
पुढील स्थानक मुंबई छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज
New train I guess.
This is a new train, she thinks.
मुंबई छत्रपती शिवाजी
What? हमने ले लिया ये खाने पीने का सामान because we are very hungry.
Yeah.
So this is what I have taken. She has taken chatpata masala. So we are in this bus going to Marines. We have reached Marines and we are eating this. We got into some random bus. It dropped us at Marines.
Yeah.
And we are here. Let's go. We are here at Marines. It feels so good. ठंडी नहीं है ज़्यादा. Can you just hear that? It's so soothing and it's lovely here. It's like 6:45 in the morning.
Sun is not
We
there.
wanted to come and see sunrise, but apparently sun is not rising. Yeah, and we are too dressed to be here. Am I too dressed? I think we are because it's just 7 in the morning. I've not even taken bath.
I have.
7:35 and we are done. We are now going to K. Rustam, the famous ice cream wala, and we'll just enjoy their ice cream. I have not had ice creams from there ever, so let's try and let's see how it goes. Let's go. Bye, cutie. So apparently sun is there and हम आए थे इधर sunrise देखने, and it's not possible कि sun यहाँ से rise
We
हो.
are a little dumb. If it sets here, then how it will rise here?
We lack some basic general knowledge. It's like 3 minutes away, the Rustam place. So we are walking because इतने पास के लिए क्यों ही टैक्सी ले, because taxi वाला would ask like 200 rupees,
Yeah.
150.
True.
So
Plus we will walk. I have not walked since 2 days.
scenes.
Since
Yeah, so we are here only, almost there. Like now it's like 2 minutes away. Let's
have
go
ice
walking.
cream K. Rustam ka.
I don't know which ice cream I'm gonna have, but I'm gonna have an ice cream. Just telling you, let's go walking. There are less people. Nobody's in there, in fact. So guys, we have reached Rustam and the cream parlor, but guess what? It's 8 in the morning and it's closed, but on Google it shows it's open. So that's why we came all the way from there, but it's closed. How do you feel about it?
Heartbroken.
We came with a lot of hopes कि हम रुस्तम के आइसक्रीम खाएंगे since we've never had it, but it's closed. Why Rustam? Why? I think it will open by 9.
Let's go to.
Aram Vada Pav.
Yeah.
Now we are going to Aram Vada Pav because जाना तो था वहाँ पे, but आइसक्रीम खाने के बाद जाने वाले थे. But since it's not open, payment by cash. See, since it's not open anymore, or it's not open right now, we'll go and have vada pav instead. But vada pav वाला 8:30 बजे खुलेगा, तो we'll have to. Anyways, it's like 22 minutes away from this place. तो हम वड़ा पाव के लिए चलते चलते धीरे से जाएंगे, पहुँच जाएंगे तब वड़ा पाव खाएंगे because it's also very famous. I also feel very happy.
right.
So now we are coming to this random place. I don't know what it is. It's like a garden and we are going there because Vada Pav wala place will open after some time. It's like half an hour to open the Vada Pav wala place. So we are here in a random garden. Like yesterday.
Yeah, hey, let's sit there.
Yeah.
I like walking on the streets of Mumbai.
Yeah, what?
I like walking on the streets of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Not as a homeless, but
Yeah, that depends on how you are walking, like the context of you walking.
yeah.
You are just roaming and like adoring the place, or
homeless now.
nah, you don't look.
Yeah.
What's that? Ooh. Under the tree. Yeah, I know. I knew it. You look very pretty. You do. हमें इस पेड़ ने फ्लावर्स दिए क्योंकि हम करे भी क्या और we just took pictures here. So we look cute, Sayani. Put no?
How I will put this.
Yeah, we look cute. It's a lot of humidity here, तो मैंने अपने बालों को अच्छे से बांध लिया है. We'll wait half an hour. We'll leave for Vada Pav. That's what we'll, because show you the place. It's very beautiful and calm. And last कल क्या हुआ? कल हम ना I think we were going to a garden in Ghatkopar and we just saw, मतलब एक location डाला था. We were going on that path, but बीच में हमें और एक
दूसरा गार्डन दिख गया तो
हम
हम उधर ही
चले
रुक
गए.
गए.
सेम आज हमने आराम वड़ा पाव का लोकेशन लगाया था, बट वी जस्ट सॉ दिस गार्डन इन बिटवीन एंड वी जस्ट केम हियर बिकॉज़ दैट्स
So
हाउ
the
लाइफ
map,
इज.
so the Google Maps is very confused and pissed at us, I guess.
हाँ, he is like, she is like half an hour you are just roaming there. We are like no, we are just sitting here and calming.
Google Maps think.
We are dumb.
Yeah.
We are just enjoying here in the garden.
Yeah, because we are very free at this point.
Yeah, and I think वड़ा पाव की दुकान पे अभी जाएंगे तो हमको वड़ा पाव के लिए
Yeah.
आलू को छीलना पड़ेगा because it's too early for us, so I'm
I
out.
know. It's okay, but we will
She
wait.
didn't
It's good
understand.
here.
So what? It's too early for me, so I'm out. In Shark Tank they say,
Oh yeah, that way.
yeah, that way. Look at the garden, it's very beautiful.
So
This
much
is-
greenery in Mumbai.
And this is called what? Hidden gem something?
Hidden.
It wouldn't be
It's not
hidden, it's hidden for
not
us.
hidden. Yeah, it's hidden. Everything at this point is hidden from us. Yeah, but yeah, cute it is. Very cute.
Very,
Too much
it's
greenery to
peaceful.
be seen in Mumbai.
I know. Look at the crows, pigeons, sorry.
She said hi.
Hi. Wow. We just met a cute cat here.
She said hi. Never touch their sheput.
No, my Kimi loves touching ship also. She came all by herself. Very heavy, no? Baap re. हाँ, let it.
Doesn't want to come.
Guys, it's been 10 minutes. We are walking.
After walking, our skin looks better.
No, it's look at it now.
No, it looks better.
Okay, it does. So we are walking and we are in search of आराम वड़ा पाव. कब से Google Maps लगाए हैं and मेरे और सयानी के दोनों के Google Maps में
Both
सब-
are different.
Both are different, so we are quite confused.
Yeah, right. Yeah, it still shows 6 minutes.
We are on the way. We will reach and we'll show you how it is.
Yeah, and if it's not worth it,
Then we'll tell you.
yeah, but it will be hurtful to my legs.
I know we have walked a lot, like a lot. Oh guys, we finally reached. So we have finally reached Aram Vada Pav after
Yeah.
like jaddo-jahad.
So
Let's
much
see if it's
walking.
worth it or
I
not.
guess it is worth it.
How do you feel?
Good, I'm hungry.
Me too. We have finally reached. Let's see and let's taste if it's worth it. So this is the vada pav.
wait, I will just tie my hair.
It's very old, no? Baap re.
I feel it's gonna be very good.
I don't think so because under the stuff is not yellow.
Not better than Delhi's.
We've ordered chai as well. How is the chai?
Very nice.
Our bill has come and it is shocking, only 156 rupees. We ordered 2 batata vada, pav, again 1 batata vada. Okay, so guys, our journey comes to an end.
It was fun.
We are in the Thane train.
Yeah.
And we'll reach our home in Ghatkopar by 20 minutes.
Not
Fast train,
20,
na? Slow train. Anyway, we'll reach in half an hour max. By the way, vada pav was
Good, I liked it.
I liked it, but not as much as like I expected.
I loved it. It was nice.
I had too many expectations. Maybe that's why I'm disappointed. But anyway, the chai was so good. It was for 28 rupees, but it was worth it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you like this, and if you do, then please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.